Alright, this video is to show the different sounds of the trackpads between the 2015 Mid-15 inch MacBook Pro, and over here you have the 2016 15 inch MacBook Pro with Touch Bar. So here's the sound of the 2015, last year's model. Nice and solid, the click sounds great. And then over here you have the 2016. It's got this hollow, horrible sound compared to the 2015. That actually sounds like a click. This one's reminiscent of the MacBook Air I had a couple years ago that just didn't feel right, especially after using the 2015. Alright, let me know if you have the same issue, if you notice that sound, or if on your 2016 you notice this nice solid sound. Again, that's the 2015, the solid sound. 2016, hollow, mushy, just blah feeling.